Table salt versus sea salt or Himalayan salt. You asked the question. I'm happy to answer it because there is a big difference. So let's dive in. So the easiest way to understand the difference between table salt, a refined salt, and sea salt, a more unrefined whole salt, is to think about the difference between refined white sugar and maple syrup. They're very similar in characteristics. So refined white sugar is highly processed. All of the trace minerals have been stripped from it, and it comes just as sucrose, whereas maple syrup is completely unrefined, has tons and tons of trace minerals that help you digest and absorb and use it. Same thing with sea salt versus table salt. Table salt, highly refined, almost 100% sodium chloride, very hard to digest, no trace minerals to help with the absorption and assimilation of it. Whereas sea salt has tons of trace minerals, not enough to call it like a supplement of those trace minerals, but enough to allow your body to use it properly. It's also easier to break down the sodium and chloride so your body can use it. Sodium is one of the most important minerals in the body. That with potassium help balance your fluid balance. And when you have salt cravings, your body needs more salt. We just don't want to be getting it in table salts or processed food. We want to be adding it to our food. Side note on iodized salt. So iodine was added to table salt in the 1920s because an area of on the east side of North America was getting a lot of goiters, and that was due to way too little iodine and selenium in the soil. And we've continued it even though our diet has a lot more iodine and selenium in it. So we don't necessarily need to be getting our iodine through our table salt. It's solving a problem that no longer exists and isn't the best form of iodine. If you need iodine, get it in sea vegetables or other healthier forms of iodine. So got any more questions? Got any more cravings? I'm going to be popping on and doing all of your cravings that you list in the comments. So don't hesitate to let me know in the comments, and I will see you soon.